Warm welcome to all who have come to watch this video. Today we are going to see what plants need to grow. Plants need some important things for their growth, such as air, light, water, nutrients, and warmth. Now, why does a plant need all of them? If a seed is not warm enough, it will not germinate. Germination is when the seed starts to sprout into a plant. If a plant does not have enough light, it will grow to be tall and flimsy as it searches for light, and it will probably die. If a plant is not watered enough, its stem will be fragile and have very dry leaves. It will eventually die. What parts of a plant do? If you take a leaf use a process called photosynthesis to produce food for the plant, and so the leaves are called as the kitchen of the plant. With the help of carbon dioxide and water in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, the photosynthesis process takes place in a plant. Now, why do plants need leaves and light for their healthy growth? Plants need leaves and light for their healthy growth because leaves prepare food for the plant only in the presence of the sunlight. Why do leaves turn pale or yellow without sunlight? Usually, the chlorophyll traps the sun's energy and is used up during the photosynthesis process. If the leaf is not exposed to sunlight, the chlorophyll is not being used, and the leaf will turn to be pale or yellow and the plant gets wilted. Why are leaves spread out in a plant? The leaves spread out in the branches of a plant to catch the most sunlight. Describe the plants which grows under the following conditions. A plant which grows in sunlight. It will be tall, healthy, and green. A plant which is kept in the shade. It will grow tall and straggly in search of light. A plant which grows in the dark. It grows tall in search of light, but the leaves will be yellow and the plant will be very weak. Thank you for watching my video. If you really like my channel, please do subscribe and like and comment for my video. Thank you.